silver coins, golden coins, medals. For what? I really enjoy this. So let's check what we can find. Hello guys, Military Finder here. Today we're going on place where fighting German and American soldiers. I know mostly I dig Russian and German stuff, but now I think it's time to show you something American stuff, because my audience is mostly from USA and I think this could be really good. Okay, we are by one military airfield from a Second World War, which was defended with a beautiful defense line where was the German troops, and they hold this position against Russian and against Americans. This was really awesome. So now we need to check this place if we can find some relics from Second War, and if yes, you can see it in this video. So welcome to new adventure with Military Finder personally, and if you like my channel, subscribe, hit that bell, leave a like, comment, and send me 5,000 euro. Okay, thank you. So we are on a new spot, and finally we find something good. It's an American 50 caliber casing with marking, I think SL like a St. Louis, yes, and 42. So the year of manufacturing 42, and yeah, finally something, because we find only K98 casings, and this it's new for me because it's American. We are on place where was also American troops, so finally something other like from Russian. So enjoy this trip, and yeah, we see us by another relic. And we have here a surface find of 50. Whoa, that's what the heck is this? I think this is German or American. Whoa. I don't know, maybe anti-tank rifle, German or the Russian. No idea. But yeah, it's fine. So guys, we find this live ammo. I think it's Russian TSK or whatever, the same like American 50 caliber. So be careful if you find these things, because this can be dangerous. With this type. Okay, so be careful with this. Okay. So we have a really interesting signal, and it's a really nice button from Hungarian army from Second War. I think this is a big one, copper from Hungarian Code uniform. Really awesome. I really like it. Just we need to check this place more if we can find another buttons or maybe something better like this. Really nice one. Button with crown. I'm happy with that. Not far away from the button we find some alive cartridges, mostly MG, like you can see. Iron, brass, and one, I don't know what this. That probably can be an American one or British, and the German. Really nice, really nice. Make a picture, bam, and you can see it on my Instagram. Really cool. Not far away from a focus, from a road there. So yeah, really nice one, really nice. So another beautiful find, beautiful because it's a damaged Russian casing, but the soldiers used it for a light in the trenches. It's a homemade light, and it's a really amazing, really amazing. Yeah, lots of water inside, but a really good piece, really good piece. I'm happy with this. Not much signals today, not much, but one surface find, a German signal flare, a really nice one with marking. It's not used, which is cool. Yeah, it's a German signal flare. Surface find, really good, really good. Okay. After a long time and lots of K98 casing, we find a really nice ammunition clip for it. Really nice. So the mosquitoes are everywhere. Really good. Nice one, nice one. I'm really happy. I think I can see rest of the colors, so really nice one, really nice. And another signal was really beautiful K98 clip. You can see the marking Z, like that. It says Zbrojovka. To check clip manufactured during World War II for German Wehrmacht. Really nice. Focus. Yeah. Really like these clips. Really like it. So again, we have a live ammunition find. It's a American 50 caliber with the blue tip, and yeah, like I said, we are on position where was a also American unit, so really good. It's a second from this location. I'm really happy. My first American thing, so guys, I hope I find something more like ammunition. That was our trip to new location. Well, we find some cool relics, but anyway, I think this day should be more successful, not like today. But anyway, next time I hope we find really better finds, because I'm so tired. Still at work, and yeah, need a little bit of break from it. And really important information: in October 13 and 14 I am in Holland, in the city Zuidbroek, on Detector World. So you all, you all are really welcome there, and I hope that we see us live on this event and we're talking together. Okay, so 13 and 14 October, Zuidbroek, Holland. I will be there, so if you arrive on Zuidbroek, you can see original pimped military finder, which will be there. So guys, I hope that you really like this video. If not, go out automatically, go out. No, if you like this video, leave a comment, like, share it, click on the bell. Don't forget, check my Instagram account, where you can see also pictures from this hunt. And if we hit here 300 likes, then we make the video really soon. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we see us by new adventure with military finder. Bye guys.